वेलकम बैक टू ग्रीडी. दिस इज एपिसोड 5 एंड आज अपन थोड़ा एक absurd काइंड ऑफ टॉपिक के ऊपर डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट absurd, इट्स काइंड ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग. So if you are into topics of human alien encounter and what are the possibilities of these scenarios. So I was recently actually listening to a podcast by Naval Ravikant with a guy called Brett, जहाँ पे they were discussing about the possibilities and the scenarios where humans and alien encounters के साथ क्या हो सकता है and what could all happen, and not the stereotype pessimistic कि वो आएंगे and they'll destroy the planet and take all resources off. It was kind of a new thing, new perspectives. So it was really cool, and if you are into these topics, I would recommend you to go and watch actually listen to the podcast. It's on his Spotify or YouTube or anywhere. So yeah, go. And but actually ये topic I've this video topic is more about the one section where they were talking about a possible trade-off between humans and the aliens, पर वो अपन बाद में बात करते हैं. So उस सेक्शन में Naval Ravikant says it's mind blowing that our minds can't be blown, and that was something really cool. So basically मैं थोड़ा simplify करूँगा इस चीज़ को. So the thing is कि it's mind blowing that our minds can't be blown. तो basically वो ये कहना चाह रहा है उधर कि humans can understand every idea out there if they have enough time and efforts, if they put in to understand that idea. So let's give you an example. If you want to learn about parallel universe, if you're really interested in it, you'd probably put in your time, your focus, your energy into understanding those ideas, right? How complex, irrespective कि कितना भी complex हो, mathematics हो, उसमें logic हो, you put everything which you have to simplify it into your own brain to keep it in your memory and understand it, right? So that was the crux of this section. But then they take it to a different level where they say that if aliens and human encounters happens at some point, what would it be? What would be the trade-off? Kya hoga? Like, why would they come here? And if they come here, what would be their intention of coming here? So then they say that it would be probably the exchange of ideas. That would be their intention or their trade-off. They would come here. Of course, if they come here, to be honest, they would be more intelligent than us because they have figured out a way to leave their planet, their solar system, their universe, their galaxy or something and come here and explore things, right? So, but why would they come here? तो उनका intention क्या होगा? Probably उनका intention ये होगा कि learn the concepts of humans, whatever we have found right now. To be honest, उनके लिए वो हो सकता है they won't find it interesting, but some kind of ideologies which we have there, they would probably don't have there, and they could leverage that. They could take some elements out of it and use it to advance themselves as a species, right? So, and of course humans, they would of course learn a lot from other species as well if they come here, to be honest. So let's give you an example. If you want to learn about dark matter, dark energy, how to leverage other resources to create new things, and they have that, so it would be beneficial for us and of course for them as well if they want to learn something from humans. So a trade-off that is between humans and aliens would be in between the ideas of the species. That was really cool, man. That stuck in my head, so I just wanted to talk about it, and how this resonates with the thing that your mind can't be blown is because let's say they come with a different kind of level of complex ideas, right? We don't know कि क्या है ये, क्या है मतलब. So but if you look in that perspective that humans can understand to any idea that exists in this universe, if we put in that effort, I think it would be possible for us to learn their ideologies and their concepts if we put in, of course, the effort into it. So that was it. I think वो एक perspective था which I didn't had before listening to that podcast, and if you're really into these topics, I would recommend you go and watch, because they've talked a lot about multiverse and all those things. Not a lot about, but briefly discuss the ideas about that topics. So yeah, I think ये video, I think I'll keep it short, because I can't recall much, because बहुत दिन हो गए I've not talking about it, and I just wanted to speak about it because I have a very blurry memory of that podcast here. So I think I've talked everything I have in my mind, and yeah, so do let me know how you find this video. I think it was kind of a different video. It's so yeah, you can expect random things from this channel. I think it's gonna be anything which I want to speak about today. So yeah, I'll keep this video short मतलब अभी 5-6 मिनट का तो हो गया, but anyways, I'll see you whenever the next video is. Bye.